Hello everyone, welcome to another amazing video of Education Warriors. So today we will be doing simple linear equations. In earlier sessions, we have completed algebraic expressions. If you haven't seen, you can see it from the corner side. You will have a pop-up. You can see it from there. If you watch those videos, then only you'll understand this chapter clearly. So, as it is told that any number plus any, like for example, x plus 7 is equal to 20. So earlier we used to write like a box plus 7 is equal to 20. So we subtract this and this, we get 13. And now that same box is represented using a variable of x, y, or any alphabet. So in simple linear equations, it is similar. Like z plus 7 is 20 and you need to solve this. Okay. These are, these are like pretty easy. You can do it. And now I'll give a question like 8x is equal to 24.
Yes, sir.
To find x, we will divide this and we get 3. We can tell this x as the root of the equation. If there is a value for x, any variable, we can call that thing as a root of the equation. So now here we can tell x is equal to 3. I'll just different color. X is equal to 3. So this statement we can tell x is equal to 3 is a root of the equation. We can tell x is the root of the equation. Now suppose I'm giving you 3y upon 15 is equal to 2. So now if you have to find this, first we need to find what is y. So 3y, we will take 15 over here. Division becomes multiplication. 3y is equal to 30. So y is equal to 10. So we can tell y is equal to 10 is the root of the equation. We can tell it is the root of the equation. Okay. So now I'll give one question. And now the question is 3 is the root of x plus 1 upon 2 plus x minus 1 upon 2 equals 3. If this is the question, we have to determine it by substitution. Determine by substitution if 3 is the x of x plus 1 upon 2 plus x minus 1 upon 2, which is equal to 3. So, as we learned, by simplifying, we get the variable as the answer. So here, you have to imagine that x is 3. So 3 plus 1 upon 2 plus 3 minus 1 upon 2. So, I'll adjust my screen here. So it will be 4 upon 2, 2 upon 2. Denominator same, 6 upon 2. 2 ones are, 2 threes are. We can tell x is equal to 3 is the root of the equation. Okay. This is again an easy one. These are very easy ones. Suppose phi is the root of x minus 3, x minus 2 is equal to 6. So phi minus 3, phi minus 2 is equal to 6. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. It's correct. So we can tell phi x is equal to phi is the root of the equation. We can prove that. Now, now we need to find we have to find the roots of the equation. Now 2t plus 3 upon 7 is equal to 4. We need to find this. So we'll take 1 second. Yeah, we'll take 2t plus 3 is equal to 4 into 7. 2t plus 3 is equal to 28. 2t is equal to 28 minus 3, which is 25. 2t is equal to 25. Then 25 divided by 2, we get 12.5. So t is equal to 12.5 is the root of the equation. I hope this is understood. We have two methods. One is balancing method, one is trial and error method, and one is transposition method. So first we will do trial and error method, okay? Now question can be x plus 3 is equal to 9. 5, 3 minus 3 minus 6. Now we need to solve these numbers as the x. So in first place, we'll take x is equal to 5. 5 plus 3 is equal to 9. 8 is equal to 9. So 5 is equal to x is not the root of the equation. Now we will try keeping it as 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, which is not equal to 9. So 3 is not the root of the equation. Now we'll try with minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 is 0, which is not equal to 9. So minus 3 is also it is also not the root of the equation. Remaining number was 6. 6 plus 3 is 9, and 9 and 9, it's correct. So 6. So the final answer will be x is equal to 6 is the root of the equation. This will be the final statement. This is trial and error method. We are trying with many numbers, and one time we'll get it correct. Next one is the transposition method. If you got x upon 6 is equal to 5, find this. We will transpose 6 to right hand side. Okay, if we transport it to right hand side, it will be 5 into 6. 6 5 is 30. So x is equal to 30. This is transposition method. You're transposing a number from right hand side to left hand side, or left hand side to right hand side. Okay. Now we have one more example. If we have x upon minus 7 is equal to 4, we'll transpose this. X is equal to minus 7 into 4. And x is equal to minus 28. Now we have, there might be a question like x upon p is equal to q. For x here we need to find what is the value of x. So if you have to find value of x, we need to transpose. So x is equal to q into p. Answer is q into p. That's it. X is equal to q into p. Okay. Or mm, or we can give a question like y upon z is equal to t for y. We'll transpose it. So y is equal to z into t. We can even write it as zt. So y is equal to zt. So this is the answer. Okay, if you solve it, will become easy. Now if you have ax is equal to b for x. This is the question. We need to find what is x. Okay. Now here is a into x is equal to b. So just a second. Yeah. A into x is equal to b. Now multiplication. We need to find for x. So this is in multiplication. So this will go here. It will become division. X is equal to b upon a. This is the answer, final answer. I wrote some examples here. TPR is equal to F for T. We need to find what's T. So TPR is equal to F for T. So here PR will transpose to F and T is equal to F upon PR. We are just ending up making formulas. That's it. You can just take a screenshot of this. Okay. This is the transposition method. Now balancing method. Balancing method. What does it say? If we have y plus 3 upon 8 is equal to 8. Now we need to balance this equation. Okay. So it will be here. This will become y plus 3 is equal to 8 upon 8. 8 into 8. Okay. Then we have balanced the equation over here. So this and this, they are same. So this is balancing of the equation. Then y plus 3 is equal to 64. So y equals 61. Okay. So if 61 plus 3 64, 8 is a 64, 8 1 8 8 you get 8. This is balancing method. So where we are balancing the equation, LHS is equal to RHS. 2t plus 3 upon 7 is equal to 4. So 2t plus 3 is equal to 7 into 4. We balanced. We have balanced it. So 2t plus 3 is equal to 28 and 2t is equal to 25 because 28 minus 3 is 25. T is equal to 12.5. Wait, there's a mistake. It's just like here you got in decimal the t's value. When you multiplied this by 2, you get 25 and then it gets balanced. So this is balancing method. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can post it in the comment section. Okay. So now we have to frame equations. We need to frame equations. So for example, if you have 6 times a number added to 10 is equal to 50. Suppose this is the sentence. Now we need to understand the sentence, simplify the sentence. So 6 times multiplied by a number. We don't know a number, so x. And added to 10 is equal to 58. So we can tell 6x plus 10 is equal to 58. We framed the equation. Yes, we did. If you have a number decreased by 10 is 40. A number decreased by 10 is 40. This is the equation. That's it. Now, if you have, now we need to express in words. A plus 3 is equal to 6. We can tell any a number added to 3 is 6. This is the wordings of it, right? If I have 9m is equal to 27. 9 multiplied by a number is 27. So this is how you frame. Now if you have 48 upon p is equal to 4. So we can tell 48 divided by a number is 4. This is the wordings. Okay. It's easy. That's it. This is only the chapter. Your chapter is over. Only these are the 3 important things. The trial and error method, balancing, transposition method. So that's it for today. Thank you.